Welcome to the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series throwback race. One throwback in this race. Up versus Sheldon Creed, Johnny Slaughter, Todd Gilliland, John Hunter Nemechek. This is a round of 8. This round is determining who's in and who's out. Here we go. Look at it! Oh, spin! It's going to be the 17. Creed wins. This time it will be 4, and it looks like the 17 might be a booster for anybody. It's Creed trying to go 2 in a row here. Up next is Grant Enfinger and the Jeff Gordon Rainbow Warrior Truck Throwback. Tyler Ankrum, Matt Crafton, Ben Rhodes. Here we go. Here they go! Enfinger doesn't go! Matt Crafton gets turned by Tyler Ankrum, and they're both going to be taken out. As that puts Slaughter above the cut, as Ben Rhodes will go against Sheldon Creed again. We've heard this story. Grant Enfinger, he didn't even go. Here we go. There we go. It's going to be Sheldon Creed back to back. 3 wins on the season for the 2 teams. Creed wins again. Goodbye.